Namaste. We just decided to stop off the roadside in Kalpa, here in Rikongpio, Kinor, to come and have a look at this hippie hangout with such a great view. Wow. The sun is shining today. It's really beautiful. And look how bright and colorful this place is. It's really fresh and different. I like it a lot. So you can see it's really colorful and decorated really nicely. This beautiful blue color freshens everything up. And the menu is really clean and crisp, and it offers things like Oreo shake, hot chocolate, noodles, fried rice, and all your normal curries and things like that. It's really cool. It's just kind of hipster and updated and minimalist, which is really nice. Let's spice it up, have a rice day where curry was invented and it's dessert o'clock. Super funky little place. So this is a great balcony that we're sitting on, and you can see now it's getting towards autumn, and it rained the other day, so there's snow on the mountain again. So we're moving towards winter, but it's so beautiful. All these apple trees that have now been harvested here in Kinor, apple country, they're starting to turn this golden color and lose their leaves. And then they're going to be bare by the time the winter snow comes. It's really quite magical.